बोलक्या कवितांमध्ये एक इंग्लिश कविता सादर करत आहे आणि खूप छान निसर्गमय अशा वातावरणातून ही मी कविता सादर करत आहे. कवितेचं शीर्षक आहे नो मॅटर. आपल्या आयुष्यात बऱ्याच काही घटना घडत असतात, त्यावेळेला हा विषय मला वाटतं नक्कीच आपल्याला प्रेरणादायक ठरू शकतो. नो मॅटर हाऊ लॉंग युअर एम इज, नो मॅटर हाऊ लॉंग युअर एम इज, डोंट बी एमलेस, डोंट बी एमलेस. No matter how poor life is, no matter how poor life is, don't be so rude, don't be so rude. No matter how much educated you are, no matter how educated you are, don't be stupid with thoughts, don't be stupid with thoughts. No matter how sad you are, no matter how sad you are, don't forget to be happy, don't forget to be happy. No matter how struggle is there, no matter how struggle is there, don't forget to laugh, don't forget to laugh.
No matter how egoist people are there, no matter how egoist people are there, don't forget your presence, don't forget your presence.
No matter how situation is there, no matter how situation is there, don't forget to solve it, don't forget to solve it. No matter how much hardworking you are, no matter how much hardworking you are, don't forget to relax, don't forget to relax. धन्यवाद. ही बोलक्या कवितांमधली ही कविता आपल्याला कशी वाटली नक्कीच कमेंटमध्ये आपण सांगा. तोपर्यंत बाय.